There is one money rule that rich people never ever break, and the crazy part? You probably break it every single day, without even noticing. This simple rule decides who stays broke and who becomes financially unstoppable. And once you understand it, your entire financial life changes forever. Most people think the rich got ahead because of luck, high salaries, businesses, or inheritance. But the truth, none of that matters without this rule. Rich people follow it religiously. The middle class ignores it, and the poor never even hear about it. Here it is. Money grows when you control your impulses, and dies when your impulses control you. That's it. Every financial failure, every debt spiral, every missed opportunity starts with one thing: impulse. Impulse spending, impulse upgrades, impulse lifestyle choices, impulse financial decisions made in seconds that ruin years of progress. Rich people don't eliminate desires. They delay them. They use a system of intentional spending, not emotional spending. They let logic make decisions, not feelings. Think about it. How many purchases have you made just because you were bored, stressed, trying to impress someone, trying to feel better? Rich people play a different game. They buy after they grow, not before. The moment you stop making decisions based on impulse, your money stops leaking. And when the leaks stop, wealth starts, not because you earn more, but because you stop wasting more. Here's the rule to follow starting today. If the purchase does not make your future self richer, smarter, or stronger, wait. If you still want it after 48 hours, get it. If not, your impulse just saved your bank account. Most people lose money emotionally. Rich people build money intentionally. The moment you master your impulses, you master your wealth. Follow Finance Forge for more powerful money rules the rich don't want you to know.